In a decisive move to uphold the animal welfare and maintain public hygiene, the Delhi government has issued a strict advisory in this view against the illegal killing and sacrifice of the cows, calves, camels and other prohibited animals during the upcoming festival of Bakra Eid, which is scheduled for the 7th of June. The advisory that has been released emphasizes zero tolerance for the violations, with strict action to be taken against offenders. And as per the laws, the advisory has been issued by the Delhi government outlines strict guidelines to ensure lawful and hygienic practices during Bakra Eid. It also mandates that all the sacrifice rituals must occur exclusively at only the designated locations and explicitly prohibiting the sacrifices on roadsides, streets or at any public spaces. Moreover, it imposes a ban on taking or sharing the photos of and the videos of the sacrifice rituals on social media platforms, aiming to prevent the promotion or the glorification of such activities. Well, the advisory has come at this point of time when such kind of rituals are known in the past to have created an unrest, and also to prevent any untoward incident that might ensue in the following days after this Bakra Eid ritual or the festival is being celebrated. Mehndi Garg is joining me with more updates. Mehndi, this is the latest advisory that has been issued by the Director of the Animal Husbandry Department in the national capital, specifically at this point of time, just a day ahead when the Bakra Eid festival is going to be celebrated and performed in the national capital and across the country on the 7th of June.
Well, indeed, Simran, the Delhi government has now issued a strict advisory against the illegal killing and also the sacrifice of cows, calves, camels and other prohibited animals during the upcoming Bakra Eid festival scheduled for tomorrow, that is 7th June 2025. And also not only this, Simran, but this is a very decisive move to, uphold animal welfare and also maintain public hygiene as per the Delhi government. And this advisory that was released emphasizes zero tolerance for violations with strict actions to, taken against offenders as per the laws as well. And this advisory has been issued by, the Cabinet Minister of Delhi, Kapil Mishra, and he also took to his X platform posting this particular advisory, which specifically mentions, Simran, that this advisory issued by the Delhi government outlines, strict guidelines to ensure lawful and also hygienic practices during Bakra Eid. And also this advisory mandates that all these sacrificial rituals must occur exclusively at designated locations and not apart from that location. So explicitly prohibiting sacrifices on roadsides, on streets or any public spaces. So if we talk about this particular advisory also, Simran, then yes, it imposes a ban on taking or sharing photos and videos also of the sacrificial rituals on social media platforms, so that, no sentiment of any religion of any other caste or religion can be affected due to that. And also this move aims to prevent the promotion or glorification of such activities. So yes, tomorrow the people will be celebrating the Bakra Eid festival, and now Delhi government has issued a very strict policy and advisory regarding tomorrow of not illegally killing or sacrificing these animals. Yes, Amrit.
Well, absolutely. In fact, Mehndi, as this advisory, strict advisory rather, has come in at this point of time, it is obvious to also yield the reaction